Hello, I'm Henry, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my master project, which was on the statistical analysis of the NHS hospital building stock. My supervisors were David Allison and Kevin Lomas, who are both here today. I'd also like to thank Louis and Carla for introducing my topic really well, because they talked about the NHS and their large energy use in domestic buildings. I've chosen here to look at acute hospitals in my study because they have the highest energy use, and they also equally represent, have a good distribution of these four building types. These four building types are very commonly repeated throughout the NHS, and they're present in almost all their sites, and especially in acute hospitals. They vary predominantly by built form, as you can see, and also ventilation strategy, depending on the layout of the building. So I was mainly looking at physical characteristics and building physics rather than the function of the hospital. And this was done by measuring the floor areas. So here I was looking at my data. This is just talking about the primary data collection, which is measurement. But there's also the ERIC database, which is the large NHS data. And that was taken from their website. And my primary data collection was to measure the actual floor area of each of these common reoccurring built forms. And this was done, as you can see here, starting from the top, looking at the boundary, then determining the number of floors of each building type, and then measuring the actual area of each built form. And this could be done manually. It was also done very quickly using an OS master map software. However, the problem with that software was that it couldn't always pick out different build types, because corridors and hospitals link lots of build types together. So you couldn't always select just one building. And then finally, this was all put into a multiple linear regression analysis, and this could then tell me which, if you put in the floor area, which energy use of the hospital, the whole hospital site was given in kilowatt hours. And then it could tell you from that model, which was found to be significant, which floor area, which building type contributed the most to the energy use. So imagine like just expanding one particular building type per metre squared, how much energy use did that building produce and increase. And it was found that Nightingale buildings could significantly have a lot less increase in energy use, looking at the lower bound of the regression coefficients. And this could be up to 88% compared to tower buildings, which are vertically designed. And that may be because of the ventilation strategy, which is naturally ventilated. So they don't need AHUs, they don't need treated air. And yeah, that was the main finding. So yeah, thank you for your time.